Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know. Now you do know. And today I thought we could do something a little different. I'm not sure if any of you are familiar with that app or website. I'm dating myself extremely here, called Polyvore. Basically, you made collage outfits and you could find stuff in your size and like shop it and stuff like that. Anyway, I fondly remember that website of building collage outfits, and I thought we could do that with some influencer outfits. Full disclosure, I don't follow any of these people. I googled top influencers 2021 because I put this together in 2021. I then went and spent probably 5 or 6 hours going through and trying to find clothes and sometimes the accessories that were available all the way up to at least a 5X, so that I can actually wear every single piece that I've put together for this video, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start off with an outfit from Diane Qv. I'm definitely saying that wrong. Diane Qv Beku. I'm very sorry, Diane. I've never heard your name pronounced. Username is Decay Vibes, basically. I'll put it on the screen here. And this one, I was going for winter outfits. Like, I'm not just like gonna find us a bikini, you know? So this one is kind of like a close-up shot, I'll put it on the screen here, of some just outfit details. So a very nice creamy white coat that looks like it's a felted wool or something, some creamy white jeans, and a stark white crop top or just regular tank top that actually is tucked under her bra. I think it's tucked under her bra. And some really nice chunky gold rings. Okay, sounds easy enough, right? Here's the outfit I put together to go with that. So the jeans are white jeans. They're the Cien jeans from Universal Standard. Yes, they're not cheap, but they were the only white ones I could find that actually came in my size, which, you know, is gonna be a running theme. Then I found a tank top on Amazon from Amazon Essentials. Essentially, a lot of the trend is basically just to tuck a regular tank top into your bra. That gives you, like, you can change the length of it if you want. And it also means that you don't have to have a crop tank top and your boobs won't fall at the bottom because your shirt is tucked into the bra. So then I found a cream faux fur jacket. Not sure why I went for faux fur, but like, to be honest, finding a winter coat and like a nice creamy white winter coat that comes in a 5X or larger. Now, to be honest, I couldn't find it in cream or white. This one is a nice sage green, and it's from Yours Clothing, which is a UK-based brand. They do sell them on ASOS, however, not everything, and they have a much better selection on their website. I've shopped from them before. They are fast fashion quality at a little bit higher price point because they're coming from the UK, and you will have to pay duty and tax and all that stuff on it, but totally worth it if it's exactly what you're looking for. Then, of course, a really great place to go for inexpensive but plus size friendly jewelry is ASOS. So they had chunky rings and like, they come in different sizes. They actually have, I'm not sure if anybody knows this, or you guys probably know, you probably know better than I do. ASOS actually has a line of plus size jewelry just like they have plus size clothes, and it's all designed by them. It's great, and so it comes in like larger sizes. I bought rings from them before and I love it because my fat little sausage fingers actually fit in it. And then I picked out a gold like nameplate or a year plate necklace because I did see that she was wearing a necklace in the photo. I've actually bought this necklace from Amazon. So, and it's nice and it fits my neck. It sits up high. It's like 20 inches or something like that. it works really well and I really like it. So this is the full outfit, not the same colorway really, but sometimes you gotta kind of make it your own. You could go for like full monochrome and match, like dye the jeans green, and like get a green tank top or something like that, so it's kind of all green. Okay, so outfit number 2 is on the screen here, and this is from someone who just goes by Georgia. Their account username is Georgia_3.0. I, again, don't follow them, but that's okay. I don't have to follow them to be inspired by their outfit. So this one was kind of hard because there is a vintage like varsity jacket, and it's pretty much fully monochrome except for some white accents or some light colored accents. So a sweatsuit, matching top and bottom, chunky sneakers, and the varsity jacket. If you hear like a noise, like a scraping noise, it's my mouse, because I actually have set this up on my computer so I can see everything and find all the links and see it all. Okay, so we're going for all green, monochromatic. You can probably change up the colors based on what you can find. So the varsity jacket, Tord was like the closest I could get, and it is a black and gray bomber jacket. You can add patches and stuff and make it look more varsity if you want, but would look really cool. So then you can get a matching sweatsuit made in whatever size you want, top and bottom, okay, in the same colors and everything, from Smart Glamour. It's made custom to your sizes as you order it. So it's called the Ursula top, Ursula cropped dolman top, and what were the pants called? I can't remember. They're linked in the description, so you can see them and order them if you want. And actually they're very reasonably priced. I'm wearing the joggers right now. I ordered them late last year, I think it was, from their lounge line, and they're so comfy. You can add pockets. I got mine made so they're a little wider in the calf because of my lymphedema legs, and I love them. They're so baggy because I got them a couple extra sizes bigger, and I adore them. They're so cozy. So then you can get patches for the jacket. I would look at like thrift stores and stuff, but if you're looking for specific ones, check out Band of Weirdos. They have a ton of patches, kind of like Goth Girl, but also some really fun ones. And they also have these ones that like go across the back of a jacket that say stuff. I love them. And once I can find a denim jacket that I love, I'm gonna get one for that. And then white chunky sneakers. So I couldn't find any white chunky sneakers that I actually liked, but I would say instead maybe get a pair of Vessies. They're worth the investment. They're like $120, I think. I honestly can't remember. I've owned mine for over a year now, and they're so good. They also just came out with like a slipper and a Chelsea boot style, but I have like the court shoe style. I love them a lot. They come in white and they look so nice. They also keep your feet warm in the winter and cool in the summer because of like the breathable fabric or something. I don't know, this isn't an ad. And they're waterproof. So I wear them as my winter boots because my chunky ass legs do not fit in boots. That's that outfit. Now this is like a reel, so I screenshotted like the first outfit, but it might be a little blurry on the screen, and so there's multiple outfits in the reel. I just want to do the first one with the blazer and the like tank top over the button-down shirt and the trousers. I just love the look, love the layers, and the layers are easy to wear because it's not too heavy, especially as a fat person. I'm hot all the time and I don't want to be wearing like a sweater over a long sleeve top over like a bunch of other stuff. So for the blazer, we're gonna go straight to Universal Standard because they have amazing workwear and they will sort us out on the blazer. They have a couple different styles, but I linked a specific one that I thought looked best. Then I was looking for faux leather trousers. These were kind of hard because I didn't realize at first that it was for faux leather pants that she was wearing in the video, but I looked again and it definitely is. And so I found these ones from Yours Clothing. They are like a split hem trouser, and they look really nice, and they go up quite high in size, so I think they'll suit, or they'll be available for anybody. So then for the button-up shirt, I picked out the Tony high-low tunic from Universal Standard. It has the right sort of shapes and collar and everything, and it will just look very nice layered under a vest top of some sort. So the like layered on vest top, like the shorter cropped tank, it looks like it's meant to be worn over something else, like it's sparkly or something. I don't know. The video moves very fast. And I really couldn't find anything that I liked and thought was right. So we're gonna do a little DIY with this. You can just buy a thrifted top or a thrifted tank top, maybe like a camisole or something like that. Totally fine. That's not always an option when you are of a larger size at a thrift store though. So I found a tank top that will look good over top of the button down or the button up, and it's from Pennington's, and so it's just like a gray, has like little stripies on it, and you can either just fold it up and maybe sew it in place or pin it in place or cut it off. Totally, like, it's a knit thing, it probably won't unravel or anything like that. You can just cut it off, maybe hem it a little, like sew it by hand if you want, but it'll look cute. I'm honestly thinking about making a cute little like layering vest top as part of the spring release for Rebellious Clove. Let me know if you think that would be a great idea. And then ASOS came in clutch for the knit slouchy bag. We just needed something that was like soft with like the hobo style shoulder, and it was weirdly hard to find, so I went to ASOS and they came in handy. Alright, so we're on the last outfit, and this is the outfit here that we are recreating. This outfit is by Amy Bell. She goes by The Little Magpie on Instagram. I, again, don't follow her. But when I saw this outfit, I was like, yes, I want to wear this. I want to wear this immediately. The loud pants, the big fuzzy jacket, the beanie, the casual, I don't know if it's a sweater or a t-shirt or what. Probably a sweater, I have no idea. And the big chunky boots. Yes, I want this immediately, and to be honest, I have like half, 2/3 of this outfit already in terms of like loud pants, dark sweater, sweatshirt, and the beanie. I would need the chunky boots, but to be honest, I'm not really a boots person. I would probably just wear my sneakers, and then I would just need a big fluffy faux fur coat and some cool accessories. Here are the pieces that I pulled for this. So if you would like a specifically like that kind of knit beanie, I found one at ASOS. Looks very similar, same sort of style. If you want if you want a slouchier one made by me, you can get them on my website. Then we've got a black t-shirt or sweater. I found one, because this one has some sort of like logo on the front. Wasn't sure what it was or what it said, so I found one similar vibes from Yours Clothing. Yes, I picked a lot of things from them, but to be honest, they just seem to have the most like not frumpy things. Like, they, don't get me wrong, they still have a lot of frumpy clothes, but they actually had some like on-trend stuff, which never happens. So yeah, I picked one from Yours Clothing, and it is what it is. You could probably get creative with a sweater and do some like yarn embroidery or something on it if you want it to be a little DIY. I don't know, could look really cute. Then the coat. Yours Clothing, again, I found this fluffy faux fur coat. So it just isn't the same sort of fluffy, you know? It's black. I couldn't find light colored faux fur really, but it looks cozy and it looks very statement the same way this one is. It's just not the same kind of faux fur is all, you know? Then back to Yours clothing again. I thought I was almost gonna get through this entire outfit all on Yours clothing, but I didn't, I promise. Is some statement trousers. These are like a paisley pattern. Again, they're darker, so they're maybe go with the like all black look instead of a pop of with a bit of color. You could really go, like, I have a pair of pants I got from Torrid a few years ago that are like super wide leg and they have giant roses on them. You could go with that. Really, any statement pant, doesn't need to be like specifically those ones. And then some chunky boots. So I find Torrid a really good place to find boots with like wide width and larger sizes and big calves. Obviously I'm not buying them because they will rub on my like more swollen legs, but if you have like if you have a normal sized, well, a normal fat calf, then these boots will work just fine for you, and they're pretty cool actually. So there was a few options, and to be honest, I'm really trying hard not to recommend Torrid right now. They're doing some really shady stuff and I'm trying not to, but when there's only so many options, it's very hard to not recommend them when that's the only option for cool boots in your size. For fat people, you know? It's very frustrating, but you know, what are we gonna do? Okay, so that is the full set. There's 4 outfits from different influencers, and I'd love to know which one you liked the best. Will you be mixing and matching from here? Are there other influencers that you think I should recreate their outfits like this? I had a lot of fun, and I'm not gonna lie, being able to like put them all on Canva, remove the background of like the product photos, and put it together as a little collage was really fun too, and being able to do that in there was so handy. So if you are, you know, looking to do something like that, I'll link my Canva affiliate link. I'm like a educator for them, so yeah, I'll link it. It doesn't really matter. It may not be something you're interested in anyway, so yeah, that's my influencer outfits. If you think I should do more of these, leave suggestions for other influencers we could recreate their outfits in size actually fat. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!